But my name is not Bengali. More than half a day, actually. There's a big where Indians go to Pakistan, and it's like a very religious, religious trip. You initially from where you're from?
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh?
Yeah, yeah.
So do you remember moving here?
I was born here.
You were born here?
Yeah, yeah.
Ah. So your parents moved here?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, cool.
In 71.
Huh?
1971. 71.
Ah.
Yeah. Yourself, you live in London for a long time or?
About 10 years, yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's nice. You like it?
Yeah, it's nice. It's definitely very nice. It's one of, I always say it's the best city in the world.
Yeah, I think everyone always comes back. No matter where you go, it always brings you back because there's something, it's more comfortable because when you live abroad, you tend to realize that here it's more easy to do stuff.
Yeah.
But if you live in Europe, it's very strict. And
yeah, even America isn't that great.
oh, is it?
Yeah, I've lived there for 3 years.
Oh.
It's a very strange place.
True. Well, London's nice because it's multicultural, so nobody cares where you're from. Whereas everyone just keeps to themselves.
Yeah, yeah.
Have you been on this walk before?
Yeah, yeah. We